Hi, I'm Luca, and in this video I'm going to present our paper Unsupervised Pose Estimation through Transforming Shape Templates. This work was carried out by members of Imperial College and King's College London, as well as Evelina Children's Hospital. Human pose estimation is an extensively studied problem in computer vision, with many applications ranging from markerless motion capture to body tracking in various medical applications. Many accurate and powerful methods have been proposed, but rely on datasets containing manual landmark labels in one form or another. Especially if the number of labels is not high and the images are not diverse enough, models can suffer from domain shift when applied in real-world applications, often requiring retraining or fine-tuning with additional datasets. We aim to infer human interpretable landmarks from monocular videos without the need for any labels, either paired or unpaired. We achieve this by learning a shape representation derived from transforming a simple template that is flexible enough to be trained on populations with different body shapes, in our case, infants, without having to manually adjust. We built upon a recently proposed approach that utilizes conditional image translation as a strong self-supervision signal for learning pose. In the first stage, an input frame containing a person in a certain pose is fed into a convolutional neural network that regresses 6 parameters for an affine transformation for each body part of the template. In the second stage, after each part of the template has been transformed accordingly, a second network with the structure of an encoder-decoder is tasked to reconstruct the same person as in the first frame. However, it only has access to another frame of that person in a different pose, together with a transformed shape template. The estimated transformations on the shape templates serve as a representational bottleneck that is used to prevent leakage of unstructured pixel-level information between encoder and decoder. We thus implicitly enforce the transformed shape representation to contain enough information for the decoder network to reconstruct the original frame and obtain estimated landmarks as a result. We introduce connectivity constraints in the form of anchor points to guide the model towards plausible body part configurations. We define connections where anchor points of two neighboring body parts should spatially overlap after they've been transformed. Our overall objective function is the sum of 3 components. The reconstruction loss, implemented as the perceptual loss between the reconstructed and the original frame. An anchor loss, defined as the mean Euclidean distance between anchor point pairs of neighboring body parts after transformation. And a loss that penalizes transform points that lie outside of the image boundaries. We train our model end-to-end in this fashion, and we found both the anchor and boundary loss to be crucial for stable convergence, and confirmed this in additional ablation studies. Our results show that we're able to extract human interpretable landmarks in remarkably smooth motion from video without requiring any pose labels. Note that we have not applied any post-processing to these predictions. We'd also like to point out that with our method, switching to different landmarks is straightforward, as this requires to only move points around the corresponding body part in a single manual adjustment. Still, there are noticeable issues stemming from the 2D nature of our model. Interpart occlusions and body rotations lead to errors, and we currently require a constant background. However, we believe that these challenges can be overcome and that this work paves the way for more evolved methods, including transforming 3D templates and projecting or rendering them into image space for a more consistent and depth-aware representation. For more info, including the full paper and code, come check out our project website at infantmotion.github.io or stop by for a chat during poster session 2 at the conference.